We usually do Starbucks because I just love, yeah, because we're basic, but I just love, I love their cold brew. You can never go wrong with their cold brew. And Alika is all about their cascara. But Trejos Donuts in Hollywood has horchata. What?
Move your head.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. I just can't see.
I'm like blocking his freaking everything here. They have cold brew and horchata, and they do a little mixture of the both. And I am a sucker for horchata. And I don't know why we don't come here more often, but that is where we're going.
Hey!
And I tell you what,
The donuts are delicious. There's been a lot of celebrities that have tried to open up restaurants and stuff, but they kind of try to just go on the name. I don't care who you are. Food better be good,
Gotta
or
back
I ain't
it
coming
up.
back.
Yeah.
And so we have a lot of people that come back. We have people that buy four dozen donuts every day.
Enrique? Hey!
Horchata. Okay, this is our first mukbang together. Well, you're supposed to explain it first, but okay. But there's the café con leche. What do you think?
Really good when I get a bite of this coffee bean. Chocolate coffee bean.
Amazing. Mm-hmm. Let's dig in.
It's really good. Trejos Donuts.
Oh my god.
Good. Hey, come try my donut. It's called Alika.
Abuelita. Which means grandma.
It's dark chocolate with cake crumble or something like that.
It's got abuelita crumble, which back in the day, well actually not even back in the day, but my grandma used to make this hot chocolate. It was made out of these like circle blocks, you know what I'm talking about? So I think the top of it is like shavings of that.
Yeah, that's like the abuelitas with the old white lady on there. That is right. I guess she's Mexican, but she looks like an old white lady.
She does look white.
Has glasses and shit. Adelita is like small little girl, right?
Adelita is little Adelaide.
Little Adelaide.
Here's the horchata. It's a fourth horchata. Is this a fourth right here?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm sorry. A fourth?
3/4.
Thank you. This is why I married an Asian person. Oh my god!
What?
You're gonna get slammed for that.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so it's 3/4 cold brew, 1/4 horchata.
Horchata nut milk, it said.
Horchata nut milk. Oh my god, even better.
Hey, I'm Danny Trejo. Drink my coffee.
Okay, and the final donuts is the one that I picked. It's the maple pig with a little bit of bacon on it. Daddy, don't take all the bacon.
It's good.
Oh my god.
I dig it.
Which one's your favorite?
The one with the coffee bean on it. Yeah, this one's fire.
Well, sad for you. That one was my favorite too.
And now we both have diabetes.
Hi, I'm Wilford Brimley, and I've had diabetes for about 20 years.
My bites are so much bigger than yours. Is it because of these big lips?
Tour de la Gorda.
Here. You can have the last bite because I love you. right? That was your first mukbang. You're supposed to finish all of it, but...
So much sugar, dude.
All right, guys. We will see you.
Mukbang you next time.
And we definitely need a better setup for the car because this shit ain't working, homie.
So I got a wide angle.
Gotta be like this.
Or like this. Flip it.
Oh my god! But isn't that gonna fuck up the...
Yeah, you're gonna have to go into Premiere and go whoop, whoop, whoop.
Alika is my teacher for editing. He does the little special things like keyframing and dropping in Evade Robot's music and just adding the sparkles and just making sure everything is on point.
Thank you, Trejo.
Amazing donuts. Thank you, Danny, for inviting us out.
I'll call you later, bro. On a scale of 1 to 10, how awful is my Danny Trejo impression?
I would say it's a 10. 10 being the worst.
Okay, good.
All right, you guys.
Check out Trejos Donuts if you're ever in Cali. Or Hollywood specifically.
Says the man with a mouthful of donuts.
Mukbang.
Mukbang! Ooh! Compliments to the chef.